Hello, my name is Joe Braun, and I'm the president for ABB Process Industries. I'm speaking to you from my office in Heidelberg, Germany. It is an honor to address you at the ITAP conference. So, we've put to test many things throughout this pandemic, but I think one of the biggest areas we've put to test has been our resilience as societies and as businesses. As we move from response to recovery, we're faced with a tremendous opportunity, and that is to continue the acceleration of digitalization across process industries. Today, I want to speak to you about how digital transformation builds business resilience. We have seen this through this pandemic, how crucial technology has been to adapt and keep operations going. One of the biggest lessons we have learned is that companies that have digital infrastructure embedded in all parts of their business tend to be more resilient in a crisis. But first, a little bit about ABB. We are one of the world's largest engineering companies with revenues over $26 billion and 105,000 employees across more than 100 countries. We've been around for over 130 years, so we have seen a lot of change and innovated many game-changing technologies in that time. The Asia-Pacific region is an important and growing market for us. In Singapore alone, we have 20 regional hubs and centers of excellence. We also have a state-of-the-art customer innovation center in Singapore, where we co-create digital solutions with industry. If you are in Singapore, do let us know and we'd be happy to take you on a tour. We all know times change, and certainly working through this pandemic has proven to be the case. Every industry and every company today is being disrupted by digital transformation, and no one can afford to ignore the elephant in the room. This is one of the most discussed topics in business. What has been positive, however, is that through the pandemic, we've seen companies accelerate their digitalization faster than ever imagined. And this has enabled new levels of productivity and performance. Digital has become the biggest lever when it comes to building business resilience. In particular, process industries are under great pressure to transform from an environmental, political, and cultural perspective. And this pressure will continue until major action is taken. The two key drivers for change, which I would like to point out here. Firstly, the need to embed sustainability in every part of business strategy. We're seeing an acceleration towards net zero carbon. Many of the world's biggest companies have publicly committed to reducing their emissions and are investing heavily. Digitalization plays a critical role in addressing the sustainability challenges across many industries. Secondly, we are seeing a change in the workforce. The new generation of human capital want to work with companies that are digital, innovative, and purpose-led. To attract the best talent, companies must keep pace with digital transformation. But change is not the only constant for the industry. Other constants remain. Digitalization only makes sense if it brings tangible value to the companies that need to improve relentlessly. Operations, supply chain, processes, asset performance, sustainability, workforce safety, security. Our customers are setting ambitious goals. The good news is that the digital technologies and solutions already exist today to meet those ambitions. ABB has three distinct digital offerings and end-to-end portfolio delivered on the common infrastructure and platform capabilities. It allows to seamlessly scale from digital assets to value driver solutions and value applications on IIoT platform leveraging artificial intelligence, machine learning, data integration, and integrated KPIs across multiple value pillars. So, what do we mean by digital? It simply runs better. Let me show you a few real-life examples of digital and the tangible value it delivers. We implemented an end-to-end digital solution for a paper producer in Asia. Through digitalizing their operations, we have been able to monitor individual critical assets to prevent downtime, avoiding 3 critical motor failures in 6 months. Solve their toughest problems by leveraging data such as addressing quality issues, sheet breaks, and paper machine effectiveness. Through the digital solution, we have reduced the number of sheet breaks by 25%. Get a holistic view of their operations, gain insights into their critical assets, HSE, work in progress, inventory, and other KPIs, and use them as decision support for budgeting, planning, operations, and forecasting. They can do production performance benchmarking between different sites, consolidation of the results, what-if analysis, etc. Then we turn to the fully autonomous stockyards. Many industries are already shifting to autonomous with the help of ABB to relieve from the dangerous, dull, and dirty. For example, the vision has already met the reality at Maritime Terminal in Singapore, where ABB's stockyard management system enables unmanned operation of stockyards fully integrated with ERP. Increases stockyard productivity by 10%, reduces wear and tear for machinery, improves material blend quality, space utilization, shortens ship train waiting time, and more. By investing in digital transformation, you are laying the foundation for long-term resilience. So where do you start? Just like there's no single factory configuration or mindset of people working in it, there's no single path to smart industry. Wherever you are on your digital transformation journey, in order to convert from conventional to more modern, connected and optimized operations, pick an applicable high ROI use case, tie it to your business strategy, engage frontline workers through the existing process improvement initiatives. We can help you get where you want to be. As I mentioned earlier, in Singapore, we have built a state-of-the-art digital innovation center where we showcase the latest in digital technologies and co-create solutions with industry. We are happy to take you on a tour through our Digital Innovation Center in Singapore, so please do get in touch with our team. Thank you for your time and wish you a good rest of conference.